Now let me show you how to create a rabbit, classic rabbit. Now in this balloon figure, the thing that I created on my other courses is the rabbit has a neck. In this balloon figure, rabbit figure, I'm gonna show it the classic version of a rabbit without a neck. I'll show you what I mean. First, of course, you just create a 2-inch bubble here, and let's say 4-inch bubble for your ears, another 4-inch bubble here for your ears of your rabbit. Now, instantly, just create another, let's say, 5-inch bubble here and another 5-inch bubble here. Okay, now leave 3-inch for the body like this, and create another bubble here, 4-inch bubble, and another 4-inch bubble here. Okay, this is the tail. Just put it right there. And this is the difference of our classic version of a rabbit. So clearly it has no neck. So that's the small difference. Now all you need to do is you need to put these two legs like this. So this is our sitting rabbit, the classic version. Hope you like it.